Alright, we're going to disassemble the Ruger SR22. This is a very easy gun to disassemble. We've already checked, cleared our firearm, nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine well. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop this slide forward. With the slide release, you've got a little lever right here. We're going to take this little lever, we're going to pull down, we're going to push it back as far as we can. And it only pushes back about even with the back of the trigger guard right there. Now, with that pushed all the way as far as we can get it, we're going to take the slide and we're going to push the slide back, pull up, and then pull out. So we're going to go back, up, and out. Just like that. Now you can see the spring is still holding on. We pull the spring out, and that is fully disassembled. This barrel does not come off. This is what we call an attached barrel, and it's not a floating barrel. So it is ready for cleaning, which it needs desperately. Okay, now reassembly. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reassemble it while cleaning it. Now if you look, this rod is inserted this way. So we're going to take this end of the rod. You see you've just got spring left on the end here. So this is the front, this is the rear. We're going to take our gun. If we look down in here, see that little hole down in there? We're going to basically take this and put it down into that hole. Now once it's in that hole, we're going to take the spring, and there's a hole right there for the spring. We're going to start it in, and then we're going to take the barrel and start, and we're going to look and make sure that the rod and the barrel have started in their holes. Now what I'm going to do is going to push this slide back, down, and then come forward. With it forward, push the locking lever right there, push it up and lock it in, and then we are good to go. Now with the chamber empty, magazine well empty, I'm going to take a fresh empty magazine, no ammunition in it. I'm going to insert it. I'm going to drop the slide. Now I'm going to pull the trigger. Check it. And when you push it back with an empty magazine in, it's going to lock back, so I've got to drop the slide again and pull. Now it is fully functional, properly operating, and it is ready to be loaded and used. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.